I'm gonna harvest my Cascade hops here. They're just about ready to harvest. They're the ones on the right here. Got Magnum in the middle and Nugget on the end. Generally the Cascade and Nugget, or Cascade and Magnum are ready about the same time. Magnum are not quite ready. Nuggets seem to be about 2 weeks behind consistently. So looks a little sparse towards the bottom. I'm not sure what that is. I've never experienced that before. But as you can see, if you squeeze, they pop back. Not quite papery, feeling papery dry, but pretty close. The best time I'll have to do this, so I'm going to do it today. And I don't know if you can see any of the yellow lupulin in there. I'll have to cut some apart for you. Anyway, I've got a rope system. Must have a cigar. The rope is tied up. I'll have to take a knife and I cut these binds and unwind them so they don't get caught in a pulley up at the top. That's the only ladder time I have. Otherwise I lower it and I pick at ground level. Saves my back. So that's about it. I'll show you the result when I'm done. Okay, here's a halfway update. I've got the bind lowered quite a ways. I've plucked about half of it so far. There goes my neighbor. Anyway, I'm over halfway done picking, and as you can see, just by lowering the rope, it's all done at ground level, which is a real back saver. Okay, here I am. This is post-harvest. I've re-raised the bind to gain energy for next year. Son will continue feeding, filling her rootstock, or the crown, with energy for next year. I left a bunch of small hops on here. It may or may not be worth my effort later to come back and reharvest. I'll drop it again, and if there's enough hops to bother with, I'll grab them. Anyway, that was probably 2 hours worth of work, which is not really worth your time, not worth mine, but it's a hobby. This is all I got this year, which is, I'm guessing, 1.5 pounds wet. Probably end up with half a pound dry. We'll see. I'll weigh it out and let you know what I come up with.